How to buy screaming rubber chicken token. So this token came under the symbol of SRC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there's a referral code down in the description. You can get free money or also crypto. The best referral code simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, go and check their community on X. As you can see, they have a big community there. So they have 1,300 members there. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 6 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 3 in this Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So this is our token. Now click on it and now click on I understand, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy SRC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.